My name is Justin Bartlett, and I nominated Sharon Kendall for Support Staff of the Year. Sharon has fostered an environment where everyone feels at ease discussing work-related and personal matters with her. There are too many instances to quantify, so I'll simply say that this occurs daily with Sharon. She contributes significantly, making life much easier for everyone in the department. During our recent professional development, our director articulated a statement that encapsulates Sharon's value not only to the department, but the district as a whole. The statement was, "Whether I'm off, Justin is off, or Don is off, few may notice, but when Sharon is absent, it is evident to everyone because she is the backbone of our department." Sharon has always been super helpful with us in the department in keeping us organized. She always makes sure we're taken care of, and she's always been a person that we can go to and get advice from and get guidance on how to do things, and she's a great asset to this department. Congratulations, Sharon, you deserve this.